Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI NOVA 90C, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you can set the ringtone volume panel. Just to unmute the ringtone, you should swipe this white dot to the right side with your finger, and that's it. And also we got the second way. Just first be sure that in volume button control function we got selected the ringtone, not media. And now just by swipe up the up volume button, we can also unmute our device ringtone, and also we can do it manually by swipe this white dot to the up. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.